Hello friends, and welcome back to our channel Would You Rather Edition. If you're new here, subscribe to our channel for more games like this. Let's go! Would you rather eat only pizza for a month or only pasta for a month? Would you rather never drink coffee again or never drink tea again? Would you rather have an unlimited supply of ice cream or an unlimited supply of donuts? Would you rather give up soda or give up juice for life? Would you rather eat breakfast foods all day or never eat breakfast foods again? Would you rather eat cold leftovers for a week or eat the same meal fresh every day for a week? Would you rather never eat chocolate again or never eat chips again? Would you rather give up fast food or give up snacks? Would you rather drink only water or only flavored drinks for the rest of your life? Would you rather eat only savory foods or only sweet foods for a year? Would you rather eat everything with a spoon or eat everything with chopsticks? Would you rather drink only milk or drink only fruit juice for a month? Would you rather have dessert with every meal or never have dessert again? Would you rather eat ice cream that tastes like broccoli or broccoli that tastes like ice cream? Would you rather eat at home every day or eat out at restaurants every day? Would you rather eat only sushi or only tacos for the rest of your life? Would you rather give up all beverages except water or give up all desserts? Would you rather eat breakfast for dinner or dinner for breakfast? Would you rather eat only spicy foods or eat only foods without any flavor? Would you rather drink only smoothies or drink only milkshakes?
Would you rather eat food with no seasoning or eat overly seasoned food? Would you rather give up cheese or give up bread? Would you rather eat only snacks or eat only full meals? Would you rather drink only cold beverages in winter or hot beverages in summer? Would you rather eat a donut filled with mayo or a cupcake filled with mustard? Would you rather eat only crunchy foods or only soft foods? Would you rather eat only raw fruits and vegetables or only cooked fruits and vegetables? Would you rather eat a gourmet meal once a week or fast food every day? Would you rather eat only street food or only fancy restaurant food? Would you rather give up chocolate or give up ice cream forever? Would you rather eat only breakfast foods or never eat them again? Would you rather drink only carbonated drinks or only non-carbonated drinks? Would you rather eat only homemade meals or only takeout meals? Would you rather eat only foods that are red or only foods that are white? Would you rather give up dairy or give up gluten? Would you rather eat a raw onion or a raw garlic clove? Would you rather eat only desserts for a week or eat no sugar for a month? Would you rather drink only tea or only coffee for a year? Would you rather eat only salads or only soups for a week? Would you rather eat food with too much salt or no salt at all? Would you rather eat only international cuisine or only local cuisine for the rest of your life? Would you rather eat all your meals with no seasoning or eat overly seasoned food every time? Would you rather give up eating meat or give up eating dairy? Would you rather eat only fast food for a week or eat only homemade food for a month? Would you rather drink only smoothies or drink only freshly squeezed juices? Would you rather eat food that is always undercooked or always overcooked? Would you rather eat only appetizers or only desserts at every meal? Would you rather eat only breakfast food or never eat breakfast food again? Would you rather eat only food that is too sweet or too salty? Would you rather eat your favorite food every day or never eat it again? Would you rather eat only organic foods or only processed foods? Would you rather drink only plant-based milk or drink only dairy milk? Would you rather eat only seasonal fruits and vegetables or eat only non-seasonal produce? Would you rather eat 3 large meals a day or eat 6 small meals a day? Would you rather eat only gluten-free foods or eat only sugar-free foods? Would you rather drink only bottled water or drink only tap water? Would you rather eat only foods you prepare yourself or only foods prepared by others? Would you rather give up all snacks but keep all desserts, or give up all desserts but keep all snacks? Would you rather eat fast food burgers every day or eat fast food pizza every day? Would you rather only drink your calories or only eat your calories?